Hey everyone, we are going to be learning how to do a sprout animation in this tutorial, a very cute animation with some animated masks. The files are linked below in the description, so let's get started. So the first thing that we're going to be doing is let's move this playhead to about 3.10 seconds in, right about there. And we're going to select this plant layer in Layer Stack, and let's hit A in the on the keyboard to open up the anchor point values. Now, if your anchor point is not already positioned here, change these values to 470 and 690. This will be the reference point for the program to know how to scale this. And now let's hit S on the keyboard to bring up the scale options. Let's hit the stopwatch next to scale to start a keyframe. And we'll be moving the playhead back to about like 1.10 seconds in. Right there. And now we will be changing this scale to 0. So select both keyframes, either drag a marquee over them or shift click, right click on either select the keyframe, go to keyframe assistant, easy ease, there we go. And it's going to look like it is growing. Now, if your switches are invisible, hit toggle switches and modes. And if the motion blur box is not activated, these 3 overlapping circles, just hit the motion blur box next to plant. Now, the next thing that we're going to be doing is let's move that playhead back to, well, let's move it to around like 310. And there we go. Let's use this pen tool up here. And now we're going to be drawing a mask around this plant. Now, if you've never used the pen tool, I'll just show you really quickly. We're going to start with the first point right below this one, click and drag to the right. And we're trying to trace the general shape of this plant with a little more like roundness and extra room on the left side. And I will show you when I am done the general shape that we're going for. So this general shape, as you can see, there's a little more room on the left side. It doesn't have to be too exact. It's a bit of a blobby shape. If you're not really, like if you want to edit any points, just click on one of these points and adjust these handles to change the shape. This is like the general shape that we're looking for. And now that that has been done, we're going to toggle open masks. If you don't have masks open on your layer, just hit M to start open those options. Toggle open masks, toggle open mask 1. And now let's move our playhead to about 215. Around here. And let's hit the stopwatch next to mask path to start keyframing it, and let's move back to 115. I'm gonna hit Z on my keyboard to zoom in. Actually, let's move down a little bit. I think there we go. We want to get a bit of a visual on this plant, so I'm going to be working at around like 129. And I'm actually going to click and drag this keyframe to be a little bit later, so we have more space between the two. Now, let's change this mask. So what we're basically going to be doing, we're going to be clicking and dragging all these points down to about the stem level. We're going to try to hide those leaves. You could see me adjusting these Bezier handles. Okay, there we go. You just have a bit of that sprout showing. And this edit will have automatically created a new keyframe. And let's select both of these keyframes, right click, like before, keyframe assistant, easy ease. And let's also change the mask feather here to about 25. There we go. Alright, that's it. This has been Designs from Noble Desktop, and happy animating.